भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान्स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। कारिका नंबर 16, पेज नंबर 96। टीका। So yesterday, in the last session, I was mentioning that this shloka actually talks about Ekajivavada, because first there is Jivatva Kalpana, then there is Kalpana of Padarthas, Bahya Padartha and Antar Padartha. In Ekajivavada, first Jiva, then Jagat. In Bahujivavada, first Jagat, then Jiva. This is how generally, roughly, they explain. And you will see the tika. Atma hi sarvam mayavashena kalpayan आदौ विशिष्ट रूपेण जीवम कल्पयति। आत्मा ही सर्वम मायावशेन कल्पयन। What does Atma do? Does kalpana of everything mayavashena. First mayavashena kalpayan, then vishishta rupena jivam kalpayati. So this is, if you think that first everything else is created, then Jagat. Now first Jagat is created and then Jiva. Sarvam mayavashena kalpayan. So Adav actually you should take as with Jiva only. So first Jiva. आदौ विशिष्ट रूपेण जीवम कल्पयति. Everything is under the spell of Maya. In that, Vishesha is Jiva Kalpana. I am Jiva, this Bhranti is a Vishesha Bhranti. Because it is in Aham. Or other Bhrantis are in Idam. They are Samanya. Tataha, then thereafter Bhavan Pruthak Vidhan. All the Vishesha Bhavas, Padarthas. How? See in Tika, Tat Srishtva Tadevanupravishat iti Shrutehe Swayameva Jiva Bhavam Apadyate. Tat Srishtva, having created, Tadeva Anupravishat. Having created, it entered in there. So, Atma alone attains Jiva Bhava. Swayameva Jiva Bhavam Apadyate iti Shrutehe. तद्वारेण पुनर् नानाविधान भावान निर्मिमीते. Then through that it creates varieties of padarthas, bhavan. So you have to remember, somebody asked a question about this Ekajivavada. That Hiranyagarbha projects all jivas like Swapna. Remember, Hiranyagarbha actually doesn't project jivas. Hiranyagarbha projects Antakarana, Sukshma Sharira, like Swapna. This is what we heard in Sankshepa Shariraka. There is one jiva, many Antakaranas. Not many jivas. Sukshma shariras are many, but jiva is one. This is Ekajivavada. So the question I had asked in the morning session was, for Jiva Bhava, is Antakarana needed or not? So how they explain this is, it is Avidya Pratibimbita Chaitanya, not Antakarana Pratibimbita Chaitanya. Chaitanya expressing in avidya is jiva. Then for the vyavaharik functioning, that Chaitanya from avidya further expresses in antakarana, then further expresses in indriya, further expresses in deha. That is different. So original expression is in avidya, that is jiva bhava. स्वयमेव जीव भावम आपद्यते तद्वारेण पुनः नाना विधान भावान निर्मिमीते ज्ञान स्मृति वैषम्यात् मीन्स वैविध्यात्. when there is variety of jnana and smriti, तत्कल्प्येषु भावेषु वैषम्योपपत्तिः इत्यर्थः. तत्कल्प्येषु भावेषु, then tatkalpya bhava, in that there is Vaishamya means variety, diversity is there, upapatti hi ityartha. Now we come to Bhashya. Shloka Vyavartyam Prashnam Utthapayati. Shloka Vyavartya Prashna is given now. Bahyadhyatmikanam bhavanam itaretar nimitta naimittikataya kalpanayam kim moolam iti uchyate. Bahya and Adhyatmika. Bahya Adhyatmikanam means Bahyanam Adhyatmikanam cha Bhavanam. One becomes nimitta, another is naimittika. So one is the cause, another is the effect. And they are mutually dependent. Itaretar. So when external is nimitta, internal is naimittika. When internal is nimitta, external is naimittika. Nimitta naimittika taya kalpanayam, in this kalpana, kim moolam, what is the moolam, iti uchyate. In टीका पदार्थाः साध्य साधनतया स्थिता बाह्याः सुखम दुःखम ज्ञानम रागश्च इति एवं आदयस्तु आध्यात्मिकाः. पदार्थाः साध्य साधनतया स्थिताः, those which are there in the form of sadhya sadhana. Sadhana means sadhya and sadhya sadhanataya sthitaः bahyaः sukham dukkham jnanam ragascha iti evam adayah. Sukham, dukkham, these are all internal, adhyatmika. Jnanam, raga, dvesha, adaya tu adhyatmikaः. Tesham parasparam nimitta naimittikata asti. Mutually they have nimitta naimittika bhava. Bahyan nimittikritya adhyatmika bhavanti. Depending upon bahya, external objects and world, internal impressions are created. Then tan api nimittikritya itare jayante. Tan, kan. आध्यात्मिकान निमित्तीकृत्य इतरे के बाह्यान जायन्ते. तदेवं इतरेतर निमित्ततया नैमित्तिकतया च कल्पनायां मूलं वक्तव्यम्. तदेवं दिस इतरेतर निमित्ततया नैमित्तिकतया. One will become nimitta, another will become naimittika. In this kalpana, what is the moolam? Kalpanayam moolam vaktavyam. Why? Nirmula kalpanayam ati prasangat ityartha. If you don't have any moolam, any basis, nirmula kalpana, you can have any imagination. There is no end to it. अति प्रसंग. श्लोकाक्षर योजनया परिहरति. So now श्लोकाक्षर योजना is done and then parihara is done of the doubt. What is the moolam? उच्यते इति. जीवम हेतु फलात्मकम. The jiva which is hetu phalaatmaka. So you remember in Anadi Maya Supto Yada Jiva Prabudyate, in that it was given Natvam Hetu Phalatmakaha Kintu Tattvamasi. And here, so this I am Jiva, this idea is erroneous. I am the product of some karma, its result, then that result will create some other karma. This whole thing is an error. But I will tell you, the complex web of karmas, they entangle the person so much that person is not able to think outside of it. He always is like controlled by hetu phala like this. हेतु फलात्मकम इति उक्तमेव व्यनक्ति. So nobody says I am hetu phalatmaka in the vyavahara, but we think in this way, I am here because of my good karmas. I have attained those results, and wherever I end up, that is the result of my karmas. So this is hetu phalatmaka. हेतु फलात्मकम इति उक्तमेव व्यनक्ति. That is explained further. अहं करोमि मम सुख दुःखे इति एवं लक्षणम. अहं करोमि, I am the doer, I am doing this, I have sukha dukkha, etc. हेतु फल भाव विकलम परिशुद्धम आत्मरूपम जीव कल्पनाधिष्ठानम दर्शयति. हेतु फल भाव विकलम, that which is devoid of हेतु फल भाव. हेतु फल भाव विकलम परिशुद्धम आत्मरूपम. आत्मरूप which is परिशुद्धम जीव कल्पना अधिष्ठानम दर्शयति. Which is the basis for Jiva Kalpana. So, Jiva Kalpana is like, see in Bhashya it is given, Anevam Lakshane Eva Shuddhe Atmani Rajvam Iva Sarpam Kalpayate Purvam. Anevam Lakshane Shuddhe Atmani. Shuddha Atma which is not of this Lakshana. Not of which Lakshana? Aham karomi, mama sukha dukkhe. This is not the nature of Shuddha Atma. In that, Rajvam iva sarpam purvam kalpayate. Like in Rajju we do sarpa kalpana, in Shuddha Atma which is not of this Lakshana, aham karomi mama sukha dukkhe, that kalpana is done first. Purvam kalpayate. Then see tika. Aropasya adhisthanapeksha asti iti atra drishtantam aha. Any aropita vastu requires adhisthana. Aropasya adhisthanapeksha asti. So here also, if jivatva is aropitam, then what is the adhishthanam? Shuddha Atma. Shuddha Atma is adhishthanam. द्वितीय तृतीय पादौ विभजते. Second and third quarter विभजते. So it is explained further. Tatas तादर्थ्येन क्रियाकारक फलभेदेन प्राणादीन नानाविधान भावान बाह्यान आध्यात्मिकांश्चैव कल्पयते. तादर्थ्येन प्रथमं कल्पितस्य भोक्तुर्जीवस्य शेषत्वेन इत्यर्थः. So तादर्थ्येन means प्रथमं कल्पितस्य भोक्तुः जीवस्य. First kalpana was jiva, then its shesha is kriya karaka phala bheda, prana etc. Pranadin nana vidan bhavan. If you take prana as samashti prana, it will be kriya shakti etc. Means of that Hiranyagarbha alone, all the other aspects. And if you take prana at Vyashti level, then after Sukshma Sharira, all the other activities, life, etc., they all are kalpita. Bahyan adhyatmikanschaiva kalpayate. टीका. यद्यपि जीवः सर्वकल्पनायां मूलभूतो हेतुस् तथापि तस्य कल्पना विशेषो विशेष हेतु व्यतिरेकेण न संभवति इति शंकते. यद्यपि जीवः सर्वकल्पनायां मूलभूतो हेतु, even though jiva is the hetu for all the kalpanas, तथापि तस्य कल्पना विशेषो विशेष हेतु व्यतिरेकेण न संभवति. कल्पना विशेष a specific kind of projection will require a specific hetu. Otherwise everybody's kalpana all the time would be same. Or why do I project a table also and a chair also and a phone also and a person also and tree also? There is some variety. So what is that? A samskar, as we say, like in Swapna. So jiva is the sarva kalpanayam moolabhuta hetu. Fundamental cause is jiva, means jivatva kalpana. Tathapi tasya kalpana vishesho vishesha hetu vyatirekana na sambhavati. Without a vishesha hetu, kalpana vishesha is not possible. So now that is discussed in the Bhashya. Tatra kalpanayam ko hetu rityuchyate. Then what is the hetu in kalpana? Yo asau swayam kalpito jivaha sarva kalpanayam adhikritaha sa yatha vidyo yadrishi vidya vijnanam asya iti yatha vidya. Chaturtha padena uttaramaha. So uchyate, that hetu is given. Yatha vidya, yadrishi vidya. Vidya means vijnanam. Asya iti yatha vidya. Yadrishi vidya asya iti yatha vidya. Tatha vidha eva smritihi. Tatha vidha is the smriti. Tasya iti tatha smritir bhavati saha iti. Then he becomes tatha smritihi. Means tatha vidha smritihi yasya saha tatha smritihi. टीका. कल्पितो विशिष्ट रूपेण इति शेषः. विशिष्ट रूपेण कल्पितः. अधिकृतः स्वामित्वेन संबद्धः इत्यर्थः. अधिकृतः सर्वकल्पनायाम अधिकृतः. He is the cause in all kalpana. Sarvakalpanayam adhikritaha means adhikari. How? Swamitvena. So as a Swami means Jiva is the Swami of all Kalpanas, is the master planner. But he doesn't have anything in his control as such. That is called Jiva. So things just happen in his life. He sits in a roller coaster, it starts and then power goes. This is Jiva. Now he doesn't have any control of what to do. प्रकृत कल्पनाम एवं प्रपंचयति अतः इत्यादिना सति अन्नपानादि उपयोगे. अच्छा, अतः लेट्स सी भाष्य फर्स्ट. अतो हेतु कल्पना विज्ञानात् फल विज्ञानम ततो हेतु फल स्मृति ततः तद विज्ञानम तदर्थ क्रियाकारक तत्फल भेद विज्ञानानि. हेतु कल्पना विज्ञानात् फल विज्ञान. फर्स्ट हेतु विज्ञान, देन फल विज्ञान. ततो हेतु फल स्मृति, देन यू रिकलेक्ट हेतु एंड फल, देन तद विज्ञानम. From that knowledge, so smriti takes place, then from smriti recollection, tadartha kriya karaka tat phala bheda vijnanani. Then to accomplish that thing, what kriya is needed, karaka is needed, phala, their bhedas, that vijnanam also takes place. So these are further steps of what is happening, one after the other, one after the other. टीका. सति अन्नपानादि उपयोगे तृप्त्यादि भवति. When annapana upyoga happens, then contentment is there, we know. Asati na bhavati. Thirst is there. If you don't drink water, there is no tripti. So anvaya vyatireka is there. Iti anvaya vyatireka rupat न्यायाद भोजनादिकम हेतु इति कल्पना विज्ञानम उत्पद्यते. So bhojanadi is the hetu for tripti. This is known. This kalpana vijnanam takes place. Vijnanam utpadyate. Tatas triptyadikam phalam. From that, when I have this food, tripti is the phalam. Iti kalpana vijnanam jayate. This kalpana vijnanam takes place. Tato aparedyuhu उक्तयोहो उभयोहो अपि हेतुफलयोहो स्मृतिर उद्भवति. ततः thereafter aparedyuhu, for the next day, uktayoho ubhayo api hetufalayoho. So next day I recollect, oh yes, yesterday when I was hungry, I ate food, my hunger was gone. When I was thirsty, I had water, thirst was gone. That vijnanam is there. I apply this vijnanam now also. Tatascha phala sadhana samana jatiye kartavyata vijnanam. Phala sadhana samana jatiye. Phala is shudha nivritti, pipasa nivritti, and sadhanam is, what is the sadhanam? Sadhanam will be the food or the water, drinks, etc. So they will give this Shudha Pipasa Nivritti. So sadhana and phalam means and the goal. That equation is set in my mind. This is samana jatiya. Samana jatiya means what? Not that same food. If you say, yesterday I was hungry, I ate those rotis, that removed my hunger. Today I am hungry. What should I eat? Those rotis. Where will you get those rotis from? They are gone. So you need similar rotis. That is called samana jatiya. Samana jatiye kartavyata vijnanam. Tatasya abhilashita triptyadi phalarthatvena pakadi kriya. Then thereafter, abhilashita means whatever the desire is, to fulfill that desire, triptyadi, this is the phalam. Abhilashita triptyadi phalarthatvena pakadi kriya, paka kriya. Then tatkarakam tanduladi. So then you need rice. Rice, when it is cooked, then that cooked rice is the hetu for Shuddha Nivritti, like that equation. So you need karaka. Kriya is there, karaka is there, then phalam you already know. So see, abhilashita triptyadi phalarthatvena pakadi kriya, then tatkarakam tanduladi. Tat phalat nishpatyadini vishesha vijnanani. And then vishesha vijnanam takes place. Okay, so I took raw rice, I cooked, I got cooked rice, I ate, my hunger was gone. So it's good if I mix it with something, some gravy like thing. So that adds, so that vijnanam takes place, vishesha vijnanam. Tatkaladi vishayani ityarthaha. So then, like how much time it takes, when it happened, then we also learned, that okay, in summer this food is suitable, in winter some other food is suitable. All this happens. Then from that vijnanam we learn and we go on living our life. Tato hetvadi smritihi. Thereafter hetu smriti, phala smriti, etc. Tatastadanushtanam. Then you perform those things. I need all these ingredients. Sophisticated will be, you have list of ingredients, you have list of process steps, etc. Keep everything ready, and then you come finish everything. Ready, food is ready, then you eat. Tatasya phalam. Iti anena kramena mitho hetu hetumat taya kalpana bhavati ityartha. So in this krama, in this sequence, paraspara hetu hetumat means hetu phala, hetu phala. Hetumat means hetuman. Hetu yasya asti iti hetumat. Taya kalpana bhavati ityartha. Prakritam kalpanam upasamharati. This kalpana upasamhara is explained. Evam iti. In Bhashya. Second last line. I think up to that I finished. Tebhyas tatsmritis tatsmritesya punas tad vijnanani iti evam. This is the evam. Bahyan adhyatmikansya itaretar nimitta naimittika bhavena anekadha kalpayate. Bahya bhava and adhyatmika bhava mutually nimitta naimittika bhavena, that they are cause and effect. or one is responsible for the other. In this way, so many ways he does kalpana. Anekadha kalpayate. Further now. Idanim jiva kalpana nimittam nirupayati. Now what is the jiva kalpana nimittam? What causes the jiva kalpana in the first place? Avidya, what else? Avidya is responsible for all kalpanas. Means, I am not thinking properly. I should think always, I am Brahma. Remember, nobody will have perfect vyavaharik life. Nobody. For a few years, you think everything is fine. Then, problems. So, vyavaharik jivan will always have ups and downs, will always have challenges, struggle, problems. There is no such thing called perfect anatma. You know, people when they think that body is perfect or mind is perfect, there is no such thing. Anatma cannot be perfect. Perfect is only Brahma. So in Anatma, some or the other complications will always go on. That is its nature. If I struggle thinking that I want perfect Anatma, I am planning for an impossible goal. Because it will be there for a short time. Again something will happen. And normally in life, you are always chasing something or the other. So that what chasing means, not objects. Let's say you are chasing perfect health, perfect surroundings, perfect people around you, perfect weather. None of this is ever going to happen. Something or the other will be out of place, out of sync. So like in a big orchestra, if there are 150 people in an orchestra, and we expect that this orchestra will give a perfect music. But if some instrument is not tuned, some instrument is broken, what will happen? The orchestra will never be able to give perfect music. So our life is like this only. Something will happen, something will be out of place, misplaced, etc. The only way to keep everything calm, balanced, is this wisdom. And then at that time, whatever Bhagavan gives as the right solution, you do it. It's not necessary that whatever solution that you chose is going to be true for whole life. Only at that time you will feel, yes, this is the right solution for now. After a few years, it may change. After a few more years, it may again change. Like the best example is appointment of a person. A person is appointed thinking that he is the right person. Then that after some time they think it is not the right person. What can you do? So this is how it will be. So the whole thing, like people also, people will choose somebody as prime minister or president of a country. After some time they think, no, this is not the right person, we need somebody else. One party they will vote for, then after some time they'll say, no, this is not the right party, we need some other party. So you will not have a perfect answer which is going to last forever. It is only a short-term solution. As it goes, you will just play with it, that's all. You can't do much. अनिश्चिता यथा रज्जु रंधकारे विकल्पिता सर्पधारादिभिर्भावैस् तद्वदात्मा विकल्पितः अनिश्चिता यथा अंधकारे अनिश्चिता रज्जुः सर्पधारादिभिर्भावैः विकल्पिता तद्वद आत्मा विकल्पितः. यथा, just as in अंधकार, in not total अंधकार, partial अंधकार with some light, रज्जुः अनिश्चिता, रज्जु whose निर्णय is not done that this is exactly what it is, विकल्पिता. What is the विकल्पना? सर्प, धारा आदिभिः. Is it snake? Is it उदक धारा? So it is projected in thought of in these ways. सर्प धारादिभिर्भावैः विकल्पिता. का विकल्पिता? रज्जुः. इयम रज्जुः विकल्पिता. तद्वत, in the same way, आत्मा विकल्पिता. आत्मा is also विकल्पिता. अंधकार is nothing but avidya. सर्पधारादि are nothing but अहम देहा, मनुष्योहम, इंद्रियाणि, तिष्ठामि, गच्छामि, लंघयामि, प्राणोहम, क्लीबोहम, etc. All these are vikalpanas. I am so good, vikalpana. I think I am in trouble, vikalpana. I am getting old, vikalpana. I am still young, vikalpana. I am learning a lot, vikalpana. Everything is vikalpana. Other than I am Brahma, Satchidananda, Kutastha, Nitya, Shuddha, Buddha, everything else is vikalpana. टीका. श्लोकस्य तात्पर्यम, इट शुड बी तात्पर्यम दर्शयितुम. अनुस्वार is there but not very clear. Vrittam kirtayati. Vrittam means what is already discussed before. that. भाष्य तत्र जीवकल्पना सर्वकल्पना मूलम इति उक्तम. This is वृत्तम part. What is already said before, that जीवकल्पना is सर्वकल्पना मूलम. This जीवकल्पना is the cause of all other kalpanas. इति उक्तम. सैव जीवकल्पना किन निमित्ता इति दृष्टान्तेन, दृष्टान्तेन नहीं, दृष्टान्तेन प्रतिपादयति. टीका पूर्वश्लोकः सप्तम्यर्थः. पूर्वश्लोकः जीवकल्पनायाः नित्यत्वयोगात् सनिमित्तत्वस्य वक्तव्यत्वात् तस्य च वस्तुत्वे निवृत्ति अनुपपत्तेः. अवस्तुत्वे च निमित्तत्वासिद्धेर् जीवकल्पनायने कल्पनायाः. हलन्त you can add after la. So पूर्व श्लोक is that तत्र सप्तमी. तत्र is सप्तमी. तत्र कुत्र पूर्व श्लोके, पूर्वस्मिन् श्लोके षोडश 16th श्लोक is indicated by तत्र. जीवकल्पना. So जीवकल्पनायाः नित्यत्व अयोगा. जीवकल्पना cannot be nitya. So some nimitta is required to trigger जीवकल्पना. नित्यत्वायोगात् सनिमित्तत्वस्य वक्तव्यत्वात्. You have to give a nimitta so that you know it is सनिमित्त. सनिमित्तत्वस्य वक्तव्यत्वात् तस्य च वस्तुत्वे निवृत्ति अनुपपत्तेः. तस्य वस्तुत्वे, that जीवकल्पना, if it is a वास्तविक, vastu means if it is a वास्तविक, निवृत्ति will not take place. निवृत्ति अनुपपत्ते. So it has to be naimittika. That nimitta, when it is there, jiva kalpana is there. So my attempt should be to remove that nimitta, avidya. अवस्तुत्वे च निमित्तत्व असिद्धेर जीव कल्पनायाः दुर्घटत्वात्. And if it is avastu, if it is not vastavika, then nimitta should be there. If nimitta siddhi is not there, nimittatva asiddhe, then jiva kalpanayaha durghatatvat. Then jiva kalpana is not possible. Is durghatam means impossible. Tat karya bhutapi kalpana navakalpyate iti ashankate. So that karya bhuta kalpana na avakalpyate. You cannot do this kalpana iti ashankate saiva iti. In भाष्य it is given saiva jiva kalpana kin nimitta iti drashtantena प्रतिपादयति. उत्तरत्वेन श्लोकाक्षराणि अवतार्य व्याचष्टे. Answer to this is given. उत्तरत्वेन श्लोकाक्षराणि अवतार्य. So shlokaksharas are given vyachashte drashtantena iti. So pratika is correct, drashtantena. What is the example? Rajju sarpa is the example, drashtanta. Swapna sadharanam rupam rajjutvam tena iti yavan. Swapna sadharanam rupam is rajjutvam. Tena drashtantena. अनवधारितत्वम एव स्फुरयति. When avadharanam is not done, anavadharittatvam eva spurayati. Evameva iti. Rajjureva iyam iti anena prakarena ityartha. Rajjureva iyam. This is Rajju alone in this prakara. Ukta avadharana rahitya karanam suchayati. Why I could not conclude that it is Rajju alone? Why there is Vikalpana? Because Manda Andhakara is there. Because there is not complete Andhakara, slight Andhakara is there. Manda यथा लोके स्वेन रूपेण अनिश्चिता अनवधारिता एवमेव इति रज्जु मंदांधकारे. दिस रज्जु इन मंदांधकार किम सर्प उदकधारा दंड इति वा अनेकधा विकल्पिता भवति. इन मेनी वेज दिस रज्जु इज कल्पिता, वेदर इट इज सर्प, उदकधारा, दंड एक्सेट्रा. In many ways, vikalpita bhavati. Purvam swarupa nishchaya nimittam. Purvam swarupa anishchaya nimittam is this andhakara, manda andhakara. Purvam means rajju swarupa nishchayat prag avasthaya. Before rajju Swarupa Nishchaya takes place, that this is Rajju alone. Before that, due to Manda Andhakara, so many Vikalpas are there. Then further, what is said, we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om